How to redeem Binance. In short video, I will explain each and everything that how you can redeem your Binance very easily in just few steps. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to binance.com, which is basically the official website of Binance. By the way, you can also go or visit Binance mobile application too. But I will advise you use this website. And once you're here into this website, just go to the bottom, and once you are into the bottom you have to basically find redeem or gift card, right? So here under this section of product you will see an option which is called gift card. Click on it. Right, once you click on it you have to just wait till it get load here, and here you will get an option to redeem to crypto, add card or check card. So basically to redeem your Binance you have to enter the redeem code. So just enter your redeem code. You can see here it is an example. So if you have got a code from different user, if it is affiliate user or referral based code, you can just enter that and you can just click on redeem and you can make an account. So this is how you can just redeem a Binance. I hope you found this video very useful.